As a business owner, your profit and loss statement is to your business what a W-2 is to a wage earner, to someone who's working a job. Hi, my name is Valise Smith with Tried and True Financial Services. I am an enrolled agent with 25 years of experience in the financial services industry. And today we're going to talk about how to keep your tax documents organized as a small business owner. As a small business owner, organizing your tax documents is an important part of staying on top of your finances. Fortunately, it's not that difficult. Here are a few tips to get you started. One way is to create a filing system. Now, if you're like me and you're old school, you may want to keep your documents in physical form. And what I typically do is I create a file folder for my taxes for each year. And when tax documents begin to come in the mail, I simply tuck them away in that file folder. So when I'm ready to file my taxes, I can go and pull that folder out and all of my tax documents are there. However, if you're more technology prone, you can do the same thing with electronic folders. You create that folder for the tax year that you're collecting the documents for, and as you begin to receive those documents via email or download, you can simply move those documents into that electronic folder. Even if you're getting records in the mail and you want to keep an electronic copy of it, you can simply scan it with your phone and put it in that folder. That way, all of your documents are together and organized so that you can file an accurate and timely tax return. Another way is to keep track of all of your expenses. Anything that you spend money on for your business is a business expense. So you want to make sure that you're keeping track of all of your expenses. That's why it's so important to make sure that you keep your personal and your business expenses separate. Be sure to check out our other videos about tracking your business income and expenses. Whether you're going to do that manually or whether you're going to use an accounting system. Either way, if you're going to use a spreadsheet or you're going to use something like QuickBooks Online, keeping track of your expenses on a monthly, quarterly, and annual base will help ensure that all of your documents are organized and you're ready and you'll be able to produce a profit and loss statement when it's time to get your taxes done. Because as a business owner, your profit and loss statement is to your business what a W-2 is to a wage earner, to someone who's working a job. So as a business owner, it's critically important that you can produce a profit and loss statement at the end of the year to hand over to your tax professional to do your tax return. So again, whether you're keeping an Excel spreadsheet or whether you're using an accounting software like QuickBooks Online, those are the types of things that will help keep all of your expenses, your income and your expenses organized for tax time. Another tip for organizing your tax documents is to stay organized throughout the year. I cannot stress enough how important it is that anytime something comes in that will be related to your annual tax filing, that you put it in a central location, that folder that we talked about earlier, making sure that when it's time to retrieve that important information, that it's all in one central location. It helps when you're using a software like QuickBooks Online or whatever type of software that you can use to automate your processes, that you're keeping track of it monthly, quarterly, and then annually, because the last thing you want to do is to try to pull all of that information together, 12 months of information at one time. It could be overwhelming and downright stressful. So in order to keep your documents organized for tax time, it's best if it's done throughout the year, 1 month at a time. Be sure to check the description box below for a discount link to QuickBooks Online. And be sure to check out our video where we discuss the reasons why you need multiple accounts for your small business. And other videos from Tried and True Financial Services, where our core mission is educating entrepreneurs on the ABCs of finance to simplify your accounting, budgeting, and credit processes.